Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we just finished every single evolution story there is. Every single one, February 25 update. We're just going to do one final sync pair story, and that is the new character Valerie. We'll leave the other ones for another day, hopefully tomorrow, because it's getting late. It's 2:11 and I have to get some rest. And with that said, this is a day with Valerie. We'll do this 2 rounds. First round, I'll choose the first option. Second round, I'll choose the second option. Enjoy watching.
Watch it! Come on, I don't have all day.
Wait a minute.
Oh. I see.
Whoa, I don't like that.
Seriously?
That is a very, very slow motion jump.
Super punk.
Are you alright?
Thank you. My Pokemon may appear frail as the breeze and delicate as a bloom, but looks can be deceiving.
Oh, interesting. A gym leader, a fashion designer. Let's pick the first option.
Oh. I apologize.
You're a sync pair that looks alike.
I've always wanted to be a Pokemon.
But your clothes don't exactly reflect Sylveon, I think. It does.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm going to cosplay Toxtricity kind of soon. So, yeah, as a cosplayer, I understand. I share the same sentiments. This is the second option. Here we go. Let's slow things down
Seriously?
so you guys can read this.
Watch it. Come on, I don't have all day.
What's going on here?
Oh. I see. Yeah?
And the slow-mo jump.
Seriously? Super duper punk!
You weren't scared?
Thank you. My Pokemon may appear frail as the breeze delicate as a bloom, but looks can be deceiving.
That's the longest thing I have heard in the game, guys. A fashion designer?
Oh,
Then what? Then what? You're actually a
I
Sylveon?
apologize.
You're practically twins.
I've always wanted to be a Pokemon.
You look more like a flying type Pokemon than a Sylveon. Honestly, I'm not too sure. Oh, it totally changes the ending. Nice. Very nice. And with that said, guys, we have finished a day with Valerie. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.